and welcome to Property Cloud. I'm Roshni and today I'm here at Godrej Woods, which is located in Thane Sandra, North Bangalore, which is one of the fastest growing corridors and most in demand location. This project comes with premium 2 and 3 BHK apartments which comes with excellent connectivity, modern design and top tier lifestyle amenities. In this video, we are going to discuss project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. But first, let's take a look at this stunning scale model. So this upcoming residential community spread across 7 acres of land parcel, and this thoughtfully planned to offer a harmonious blend of nature, comfort and premium city living. It features 10 elegantly designed towers, rising 2 basement plus ground plus 13 floors, housing 558 plus premium residences surrounded by nature-themed landscaping and lush green open spaces. Residents can enjoy an exclusive clubhouse equipped with a range of wellness, fitness and lifestyle amenities set in North Bangalore's prime corridor. The project promises an elevated and enriching living experience. And talking about the location advantages, this project strategically located on Thane Sandra Main Road in North Bangalore, which gives you excellent connectivity. Rera University is just 3 minutes away. Hyderabad Bangalore Highway is just 10 minutes away. Yelahanka Junction Railway Station is just 15 minutes away and just 10 minutes from Manyata Tech Park. This project is ideal for work professionals, families and long-term investors. And talking about the amenities like what you get inside this project, so this project offers you premium lifestyle amenities such as modern clubhouse with leisure and fitness spaces, indoor and outdoor sports facilities, landscape garden and green pockets, walking paths and relaxation zones, kids activity areas and much more. And now let's head to the sample flat. So this is your 3 BHK sample flat. This is your foyer area where you get this clean and welcoming space that opens up beautifully into the home. And this living room comes with the attached balcony, which is perfect for your morning chai or for unwinding the evening. So this balcony looks very spacious and it's perfect if you like sitting outside or you can keep your plants as well. And now moving on to the dining area, this place is perfect for 6 members. And overall, this room looks very spacious, bright and airy because it has attached balcony. And now let's go to the kitchen. So this is your kitchen area and over here you get the refrigerator space, and look at this kitchen, looks very spacious. And also there are 2 sections like the wet area and the dry area, and also there are good storage cabinets everywhere like upper and lower. Plus there are good storage cabinets everywhere, upper and lower, so space management becomes very easy. And attached to this kitchen you get here the dry balcony, which looks very spacious and come with extra sink. This dry balcony works perfectly for washing and keeping all the utility work separate from the main kitchen, very practical for daily use. And now let's take a look at the kids' bedroom. So this is your kids' bedroom. Also look at this space, there is also a corner for the study table, and look at this space, you can walk easily. And one more thing, that this place also comes with attached balcony, and also you get here the large wardrobe space. I like how this room gets good light and you can easily plan the bed plus storage here without it feeling cramped. And wardrobe space here is really generous. You get the full length setup that takes care of all your storage. And before stepping into the master bedroom, you get here the common washroom. So this is your common washroom, clean design, good fittings and placed conveniently between the living area and the bedrooms. And right behind me, this is the master bedroom. You can really feel the difference because it is very spacious, and also you get the space over here for your side table, and look at the bed, how perfectly it fits. And even though you get the generous walking area, and attached to this bedroom you get the balcony. And also there is a huge wardrobe space over here. And of course, you get your own attached washroom over here for complete privacy. And now let's head to the last bedroom. So this is your last bedroom, which also comes with the attached washroom. I like how this room gets good light and you can easily plan the bed plus storage here without it feeling cramped. Overall, it's a simple and functional bedroom with the comfort of attached washroom. So if you like this video and want to know more about this project, do click on the link below so we will connect you in the further process. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discounts, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services, and much more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury property updates.